birds? You like them? Really? Say bye-bye to them. Okay, he's trying to chase the birds. And then he gets afraid when they fly away. Okay, what are you trying to say, boy? Yeah, really. That's the birds. You see? The little birds. You see the birds? Go chase them, come. Go say hello. Yeah. Okay. Really? Yeah. Want to fly like that? Or yeah? Or what you gonna do? Yeah. Okay, so this is what Grandma gave you today. Nice swag. With your new Nikes. Let me see them. Ooh, they look good. What about them? Go chase them. Come. Go chase. Yeah. Come on now. Are you afraid? Dada? Yeah, alright. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Peace. Okay. Silence is gold. Mamu? Alright. All the baby Joes, they like to be silent. So, this is baby Joe number 2. Say bye-bye. Deuces, like the Mike would say.